10 festivals in Dubai you must experience. Few of the most astounding and intriguing festivals happen in Dubai, where almost everything is celebrated. Various competitions make it to must-experience festivals in Dubai. These events attract thousands of participants from not only the Middle East but also the entire world. So here are the top 10 festivals in Dubai you must experience.
Do you want to quit your job and travel full-time? Well, now you can. Start your own website with Bluehost Web Hosting and make money online. Sign up now to get started with a free domain name from the first link in description. Offer valid for limited time only.
Before we start with the countdown, please don't forget to subscribe to Travel Extreme and press the bell icon to watch our videos first. Now that being done, here is number 10. Swim the Bulge. Bulge Al Arab is perhaps, if not the most, one of the most fascinating structures in Dubai. It is one of the most iconic landmarks of Dubai that is featured in any movie shot in the city. Held every year in mostly March, Swim the Bulge is an event that gives an opportunity to the participants to view Bulge Al Arab up and close. Participants in the race to swim around the Bulge in Al Arab, either 1600 meter or 800 meter race categories. The competition is open to people aged 16 or above. All the proceedings earned from the events are donated to the charities every year. Number 9. Dhaw Race. Al Ghafal Dhaw Race is an annual event that honors Dubai's past and glorifies their primary commercial activity, pearl diving. Dhaws are traditional Emirati boats that were used by fishermen in the past for pearl diving, which helped establish Dubai as a leading trading port. Nationalistic pride is quite recognizable in the event, as all the crew members on the dhaws must be Emiratis and the crowd that gathers to watch them sail are mostly Emiratis. Number 8. Dubai International Boat Show. Dubai International Boat Show is one of the classiest events in Dubai. Every year, luxurious yachts from all the globe. It will also have stands from the prominent brands in the yacht world. Marina Art Gallery exhibition is open to the VIPs attending the boat show. It has selected acclaimed pieces from the leading galleries around the world. There will be live music and entertainment throughout the day. Unlike other boat shows, Dubai International Boat Show has a chill vibe which starts at 3 p.m. and goes until 11 p.m. Number 7. Taste of Dubai. Dubai's unofficial food festival is certainly one of the most awaited festivals in the Emirati. Started in 2000, Taste of Dubai manages to attract guests from all over the world to experience dishes from both ambitious chefs and established chefs. Every year you would find celebrity chefs headlining live cooking demonstrations, which by the way attracts a majority of the crowd just because they are fascinating. There is also a dedicated kids zone as well as shopping areas. Some of Dubai's best restaurants serve their signature dishes for less than a fraction of the original price. Number 6. Dubai World Cup. Every year since 1996, Dubai hosts one of the world's richest horse race with a prize fund of USD 10 million. The race takes place at the Nad Al Shiba racecourse in the presence of the world's best jockeys, trainers and horses. The state-of-the-art facilities and a superb track provides racegoers with a unique and amazing venue at the city's largest social event. The event is annually held on the last Saturday of March. Number 5. The Dubai Marathon. The Dubai Marathon is an annual marathon event that attracts thousands of participants. It started in the year 2000. In 2008, it was labeled as the world's richest marathon event as it offered $1 million to anyone who established a world record and $250,000 for the first place winners in men and women category. It is the Middle East's largest mass event and attracts well above 28,000 participants from the region and worldwide. The marathon route is approximately 42.2 kilometers. The race begins at 6 a.m. for the elite athletes and the wheelchair athletes and at 7 a.m. for the masses. The entry fee for the same is 135 USD. They also have 10-kilometer race and 4-kilometer race which begins at 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. respectively. The entry fee for the same is 90 USD and 55 USD respectively. One needs to register for the marathon online for the marathon and the races which are held mostly in January. Number 4. Dubai International Jazz Festival. Dubai Jazz Festival is an annual music festival that takes place in Dubai. The first edition of Dubai International took place on January 2003 at Dubai Media Center Amphitheatre, where a number of famous jazz artists over 3 days. The festival has grown over the years to attract more than 5 lakh from all over the world. The Emirates Airline Dubai Jazz Festival has won the Best Music Festival Awards at the Time Out Nightlife Awards 2010 and 2018. The festival is organized all around the city of Dubai and features award-winning artists, legendary musicians and some critically acclaimed jazz and contemporary music groups covering over 50 years of music history. Number 3. Dubai International Film Festival. Dubai International Film Festival is one of the biggest film festivals in Dubai and the Middle East as well. It started in 2004 and since then has been celebrating films every year during December. It attracts films from the Arab world and beyond. Many Academy Award-nominated films have opened up the festival. It is held at 3 to 4 posh locations around the city and attracts many interns, volunteers, viewers, cinephiles and celebrities. It also hosts conferences, question-answer, presentation and special appearances. DIFF sets itself apart from many other film festivals by not only providing red carpet glamour, but also a cultural exchange between the film lovers as the movies come from different regions with different languages and different cultures. DIFF has been widely regarded as one of the best film festivals in the world. Number 2. Art Dubai. Art Dubai was founded in 2007 under the patronage of His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President and Prime Minister of the UAE and ruler of Dubai. Widely regarded as one of the most globally diverse art fairs, Art Dubai is held every March and features not only emerging artists but also the leading artists in the field. Almost always held in March, it attracts over 20,000 visitors from all over the world and includes art collectors, curators, patrons, museums and other institutions. The gallery is categorized in 3 sections: contemporary, modern and residence. It also hosts the most significant art conference in the Gulf known as the Global Art Forum. As the name suggests, the conference invites artists, leaders, curators and writers from all parts of the world. Number 1. Dubai Shopping Festival. One of the most exciting festivals in Dubai is the Festival of Shopping. But then again, this shows how extravagant Dubai is. The Dubai Shopping Festival is an annual shopping festival which was inaugurated in 1996 and since then it is held mostly in the first quarter of the year. The festival includes unbelievable discounts in every store in every mall. No matter how high-end the brand is, DSF provides an opportunity for anyone and everyone to get out and shop. But shopping isn't the only delight. The various other festivities and events happening across the city, everyone becomes part of the DSF. There are many food-related events organized, concerts, game shows, parades, ramp walks, etc. happening in every mall and firecrackers going up every night for the duration of the festival at the Creek Park. So these were the 10 festivals in Dubai you must experience.